Hello, my friend. Welcome back to the Daily English Podcast. It feels good to have you here with us today.
Yes, we are so happy you are joining us. And today's topic is one that everybody talks about, health and fitness.
We are going to explore how to use the right English words when we talk about exercise, food, and lifestyle.
That is right, because many learners mix up these words, and the result can be funny or even a little confusing.
In this episode, we will go step by step through the gym, through daily routines, through diet, and even motivation.
We will laugh together, correct mistakes politely, and give you simple examples you can use in daily life.
So take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let us begin our warm-up.
All right, tell me what you said to your friend yesterday about the gym.
I told him I had a long practice at the gym.
Practice at the gym? That sounds funny. We usually say workout or exercise, not practice.
So practice is not the right word for the gym?
Exactly. Practice is for things like music or speaking a language. Workout is the whole session. Exercise is the single activity inside the workout.
I understand. If I do push-ups and squats, those are exercises. But if I spend 1 hour at the gym, that is my workout.
Perfect. And listeners, say this with us. I had a good workout today. Take a breath and try it again.
This morning, I met an old friend in the park. He looked at me and said, "Wow, you are very fitness now."
That sounds cute, but it's not quite right. We don't say, you are fitness. We say, you are fit.
Oh, so fitness is wrong in that sentence?
Yes, fitness is the noun. It describes the state or quality, but fit is the adjective we use for a person.
I see. If I go running every day and eat well, I can say, I am fit.
Exactly. And if you talk about the condition itself, you say, my fitness is improving.
So fit is about me as a person, and fitness is the state or level.
Correct. Listeners, let us try together. Take a breath and say, I am fit.
Now say, my fitness is improving.
Perfect. Now you have it.
That clears up a mistake I have made many times.
And now you will sound more natural every time you talk about health.
Great! Now, let's move on and look at another pair of words that many learners confuse.
I remember once a student told me, my grandfather has very strong. And I smiled because it sounded a little incomplete.
Yes, I think I have said that before too. Strong is not a thing, it's a description, right?
Exactly. Strong is an adjective. It describes a person or an object. But if we need a noun, we use strength.
So instead of saying he has strong, I should say he has strength.
Correct. And if you describe the person, you say he is strong.
Let me try. She is strong. She has strength.
Perfect. Take a breath, listeners, and repeat once. She is strong. She has strength.
That feels smooth and natural.
Yes, and with small corrections like this, your English grows stronger every day.
All right, we have covered workout and exercise, fit and fitness, and now strong and strength.
Good warm-up already. Now we are ready to step inside the gym and face even more words people often confuse.
Last week, I told my cousin I want to reduce weight before the wedding, and he laughed a little.
I can imagine why. We do not usually say reduce weight in English. The natural phrase is lose weight.
So, reduce weight is not correct?
Not really. People understand it, but it sounds unnatural. Lose weight is what native speakers use.
I see. If I eat better and exercise, I can say I want to lose weight.
Yes, exactly. And if you talk about someone's success, you can say, she lost 5 kilos last month.
That sounds much better than reduce weight.
Right. And listeners, let us practice together. Take a breath and say, I want to lose weight.
Now say, my friend lost weight after joining the gym.
Perfect. That is the natural way to say it.
I'm glad we fixed that mistake because I used reduce weight many times.
Now you can speak with confidence and sound more natural in every fitness conversation.
Great. So, what is the next word pair we should clear up?
Yesterday, one of my students said, I do practice at the gym every morning, and it made me smile.
Yes, that sounds a little strange. Practice is more for music or speaking, right?
Exactly. Practice is when you repeat something to get better at a skill. Training is the right word for exercise at the gym.
So if I lift weights and run on the treadmill, I should say I am training, not I am practicing.
Correct. And if you talk about preparing for a competition, you can say, he's in training for the marathon.
That makes sense. Training is for physical exercise. Practice is for skills like piano or English.
Right. Listeners, let us practice together. One time, take a breath and say, I am training at the gym.
Now, try this. I am practicing my English today.
Perfect. Now you hear the difference. One is for the body, the other is for skills.
I used to say practice at the gym a lot. Now I will switch to training.
Good correction. That small change makes your English sound sharper and clearer.
So, what is the next pair we can learn in the gym?
Last time at the gym, a learner told me, I met my coach yesterday, but he was actually talking about the personal trainer who helps with exercises.
Ah, I see the difference. Coach and trainer are not always the same.
Exactly. A coach usually guides a whole team or helps with strategy. A trainer works with you one-on-one to design workouts and improve technique.
So in football, I can say coach, but in the gym, I usually say trainer.
Yes, correct. For example, you can say, my trainer showed me a new way to lift weights. And in school sports, you say, my coach planned the game.
That makes sense. One is about personal training. The other is about team strategy.
Right. And listeners, let us try once. Take a breath and say, my trainer helps me at the gym.
Now say, my coach teaches us football.
Perfect. Small but clear difference.
I used to mix them up, but now it feels easy.
Yes, with practice, you will use the right one naturally every time.
So we are finished with the gym words. What comes next?
Yesterday, someone told me this cake is very healthy, and I had to smile.
Yes, because cake is tasty, but not really healthy.
Exactly. We use healthy to describe people or things that give good health. But cake usually does not give good health unless it's very special.
So what about the word healthful? I have seen it in books.
Good question. Healthful means something full of health or good for health. It's more formal and less common, but it is correct to say a healthful meal.
I see. So I can say vegetables are healthy or vegetables are healthful. Both are fine.
Yes, correct. But in daily life, most people use healthy because it's simple and natural.
That makes it easier. If I eat salad for lunch, I can just say, my lunch was healthy.
Exactly. Listeners, say it with us. One time, take a breath And repeat, my lunch was healthy.
Good. And if you want to be formal, you can try this. This meal is helpful.
Perfect. Now you know the difference.
Great. That clears up a word pair I never really understood.
And with this small step, your English for food and diet becomes more clear.
So, what is the next food word we should look at?
Last week, a student told me, my nutrition is very hard because I cannot eat pizza. And I smiled.
That sounds a little mixed up. We should say my diet, not my nutrition.
Exactly. Diet means the food you eat every day. It can be normal or special. Nutrition is the science or quality of how food helps the body.
So, if I say I am on a vegetarian diet, that is correct?
Yes, perfect. And if you say vegetables have good nutrition, that is also correct.
Ah, so diet is about the plan of eating and nutrition is about the value inside the food.
Right. Listeners, let us try together once. Take a breath and say, I am on a healthy diet.
Now say, fruits give us good nutrition.
Perfect. You sound natural.
I always use nutrition for everything, but now I see the difference clearly.
Yes, and with this knowledge, you can talk about food more confidently.
So what is the next word pair in our food section?
I remember one time a friend said, I cannot eat too many proteins today because I want to reduce my calories. And it sounded a little mixed up.
Yes, because calories, carbs, and protein are not the same, right?
Exactly. Calories are the units of energy. Carbs give quick energy. Protein builds and repairs muscles.
So if I eat rice, that gives me carbs. If I eat chicken, that gives me protein.
Correct. And both together give you calories, the total energy your body uses.
I see. Calories is the big picture. Carbs and protein are the sources inside it.
Yes, that is the simple way to remember. Listeners, take a breath and repeat once. Rice has carbs. Chicken has protein. Both give calories.
That feels clear now. I will not confuse them again.
Good. And now you can talk about food in a way that sounds more natural and correct.
Great. So, are we ready to move from food to lifestyle habits?
One of my students once told me I need to relax for 10 minutes during lunch break, and I understood what he meant, but it was not the best word.
Ah, so maybe he should have said, I need to rest for 10 minutes.
Exactly. Rest is when you stop working so your body and mind recover. Relax is when you do something calm, like listen to music or read a book.
So if I close my eyes for a short time in the office, I am resting, but if I watch a funny video, I am relaxing.
Yes, perfect. Both are good for health, but they are not the same.
That makes it clear. Listeners, let us try once. Take a breath and say, I need to rest after work.
Now say, I relax by reading a book.
Much better. I will not confuse them again.
Good. Small corrections like this make your daily English smooth and natural.
All right, what is the next pair in lifestyle habits?
Last week, someone told me, I do not have stamina to finish my homework, and I had to smile.
Yes, that sounds funny. Stamina is more for physical activity, right?
Exactly. Stamina means the ability to keep going for a long time. Energy is the quick power you feel right now.
So, if I drink coffee, I get energy, but if I train every day, I build stamina.
Yes, correct. A runner needs stamina to finish a marathon, but he also needs energy at the start.
That makes it simple. Listeners, let us try once. Take a breath and say, coffee gives me energy. Training builds stamina.
Perfect. Now the difference is clear.
I like that one. It's easy to remember.
Yes, and now you can explain how you feel in a more natural way.
So, what is the next pair we should look at?
I remember one time a learner said, "Before football, I always do warm-up with only stretching." And I had to explain a little.
So, stretching and warming up are not exactly the same.
Right. Stretching is moving your muscles to make them loose. Warm-up is the whole preparation. It can include stretching, jogging, or light movements.
So, if I touch my toes and move my arms, that is stretching. But if I jog slowly and add some stretches together, that is a warm-up.
Exactly. Stretching is part of warming up, but not the full thing.
That is clear. Listeners, take a breath and repeat once. I stretch my muscles. I warm up before exercise.
Perfect. Now you can explain both in a natural way.
Good correction. I used to think they were the same.
Many learners think that, but now you know the difference and you can talk about it confidently.
So, what comes next after lifestyle habits?
One time, a learner told his friend, "You must go jogging every morning," and it sounded a little too strong.
Yes, must can sound like an order, right?
Exactly. Must is very strict. It means there is no choice. Should is softer. It means good advice. Maybe you could is even softer. It feels like a gentle suggestion.
So, if I say, you must drink water every day, that sounds like a rule. If I say, you should drink water every day, that sounds like advice.
Correct. And if you say, maybe you could drink more water, that feels like a kind idea, not pressure.
That makes sense. Listeners, let us try once. Take a breath and say, you should eat more vegetables.
Now try, maybe you could exercise after work.
Perfect. That feels more polite and natural.
Yes, and when you choose the right level of strength in your words, people feel more comfortable with you.
Good. This helps me understand how to motivate without sounding too strict.
We learned a lot today, and before we finish, let's lock these words in your memory with a quick review.
Workout means exercise at the gym. Fit means in good shape. Fitness means the state of health. Strong is the description, strength is the power.
Lose weight is the natural way to say it. Training is physical exercise. Practice is for skills. Coach guides a team. Trainer helps one person.
Healthy is the common word, healthful is more formal, diet is the food plan, nutrition is the value of food, calories are energy, carbs give quick energy, protein builds muscle.
Rest means stop working. Relax means do something calm. Stamina means long-lasting power. Energy means quick power. Stretch means loosen muscles. Warm up means prepare the body.
Must means no choice, should means advice, maybe you could means a gentle suggestion.
That was a lot of progress in one session. Take a breath and feel proud of yourself.
You just turned confusing words into clear ones, and every correction you made today is a real step forward.
Each time you repeat these words, you grow stronger and more natural in English.
The more you learn, the more you grow, and the more confident you sound in daily life.
So, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep enjoying the journey.
Because one small step every day builds big confidence over time, and every word you speak builds your future. Keep speaking, keep growing. Thank you for listening to the Daily English Podcast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, the more you learn, the more you grow.